Welcome back. Today, AI becomes your personal video production team. What if you could create videos without cameras or editing skills? Today, you'll learn the complete AI video creation workflow.
Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're cracking open what I'd honestly call an absolute must-watch masterclass module. If you've ever felt totally locked out of video creation just because the costs were astronomical or the learning curve felt like a cliff, well, stick around. Seriously, if you've been sitting on the sidelines watching other people blow up their personal brands or businesses because you didn't have the fancy gear or the tech skills, this presentation is custom built for you. Take a look at that giant 0. You know what that stands for? That's exactly how many cameras, crew members, or fancy studio spaces you need to make professional-level content right now. We're gonna go ahead and just shatter that old limiting belief right out of the gate. You seriously don't need a 500-pound monthly budget or a massive Hollywood crew anymore. Actually, scratch that. You just need your laptop and the right AI stack. So we've seen this massive shift in 2024. The old way, yeah, that meant dropping over 500 quid just on basic lighting and camera gear, trapping yourself in these pricey monthly editing subscriptions, and literally losing hours manually splicing footage. It was brutal. But the AI way completely rewrites the rulebook. We're talking one single laptop, free or low-cost tools, an AI presenter, custom AI music, and get this, your very first publishable content ready to go on day one. It's a total game changer. All right, let's just quickly glance over the course syllabus so you know exactly how we're gonna demystify this workflow step by step. We'll hit the video revolution, break down the 5-step pipeline, map it all on a capability matrix, look at specific industry stacks, show you how to dodge that beginner overwhelm, and wrap up with a real-world assignment. So diving right into section 1, the 5-step pipeline. Let's see how these 9 individual tools actually stitch together into one super cohesive workflow. What's really fascinating here is how we can take what used to be a massively complex, migraine-inducing production process and just cleanly chunk it into 5 highly manageable categories: presenter, B-roll, editing and audio, on-screen text, and music. Boom. You definitely don't need a film degree to wrap your head around this flow. Let's kick things off with category 1, avatars and presenters. Look, if you get camera anxiety, or maybe you just want a perfectly consistent look without messing with lighting setups every single time, tools like HeyGen and Create Studio are going to be your best friends. With HeyGen, it's wild. You literally just paste in your text script, pick an insanely realistic AI avatar, and the software spits out a fully presented clip. No joke, you never actually have to step in front of a lens if you don't want to. Moving on to category 2, we've got cinematic B-roll. This is that slick, supporting footage that makes your stuff feel, high-end. The crucial takeaway here is that instead of spending hours scrolling through wildly expensive stock clip sites, you just type a prompt, literally. Type something like ultra cinematic modern AI workspace into Runway AI or Google Flow, and bam, instant bespoke photorealistic B-roll. Oh, and VideoExpress? It even lets you keep your characters consistent across those generated clips. Mind-blowing, right? Okay, so you've got your presenter and your B-roll. Now you gotta stitch them together, which brings us to category 3, the editing suite. Canva is absolutely killer for drag and drop templates and social exports. CapCut AI? That's your go-to for mobile auto editing and instantly beats syncing stuff. But I gotta say, VideoExpress is an absolute powerhouse here. It gives you a complete 5-minute timeline, built-in voiceovers, and the best part, it's a one-time payment. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fatigue for good. Category 4 is all about on-screen text. Now, we really need to clear up a major beginner mistake here. Audio captions, the automated word-for-word subtitles at the bottom, your editor handles those. But when you want those bold, stylized graphic text callouts to pop up and hook your viewer, you need Grok. A lot of AI tools out there spit out weird, glitchy letters or terrible spelling errors. Grok, though, it hands you clean, perfectly spelled, highly readable text every single time. And rounding it out with category 5, AI music. We all know finding decent royalty-free music is completely exhausting, and getting hit with a copyright strike is basically a creator's worst nightmare. Singify by Findshare just totally solves this. You just toss it a text prompt like uplifting cinematic background instrumental, and it generates a 100% original custom track. It keeps your output from sounding like literally every other creator out there, and your account stays totally safe. Win-win. All right, section 2, the capability matrix. Let's see how all this magic actually overlaps and builds together. When you look at this matrix, Notice how a true all-in-one tool like VideoExpress basically sweeps the board. It covers almost every single column, from the presenter to a 5-minute edit, right down to basic text and music. But then look at Grok and Singify. They aren't trying to do the whole shebang. They are your specialized secret weapons for crystal clear text and custom music. Understanding how these tools overlap, that's how you build a seriously lean, efficient workflow. Okay, section 3, playbooks for every industry. Let's get hyper practical here, because how you use this stack depends entirely on your goals. So let's map these tools to your specific world. First up, my students. If you're tackling video essays, complex project presentations, or revision explainers, listen up. You can honestly rely entirely on the free tiers here. Just pair HeyGen for your presenter with Canva for the editing and captions. Toss in Singify for some original background beats and Grok for clean text, and you're suddenly dropping top-tier academic content without spending a single penny. Now, what if you're an entrepreneur, an SME, or running a startup? Your bread and butter is product demos, social ads, and pitch presentations. Your absolute starter combo is VideoExpress, Grok, and Singify. Look, as a startup, you absolutely have to keep your burn rate low, right? Because VideoExpress is a one-time payment, you get this massive full production value, but you completely dodge stacking up those painful recurring software bills every month. And for the career switchers and working professionals out there, your main goal is usually building a really commanding brand on LinkedIn or putting together internal training. By leaning into HeyGen, you can establish some serious authority in your field, and you skip the total panic of trying to film yourself in a messy home office. Couple that with Canva, Grok, and Singify, and boom, you've got a polished, hyper-professional presence ready to go. We also absolutely cannot overlook the faith-based applications here. Churches, ministries, community groups. You guys can use these exact same free and low-cost tools to produce incredibly engaging media for your congregations. You can take a message from calling to community with literally a $0 media budget. It makes digital outreach so much more accessible than it's ever been. All right, moving to section 4, the antidote to overwhelm. Because let's be real, trying to learn all 9 of these tools right this second is a one-way ticket to Burnout City. Let's avoid the biggest rookie mistake. Let's just take a breath. Here is the absolute best way to not get overwhelmed. Just pick 2 tools to start, one for your presenter and one for editing. That is literally it. Master your avatar tool, say HeyGen, and master your editor, maybe Canva. Seriously, just ignore the B-roll generators, ignore the fancy custom music, until you are 100% comfortable with those first 2. Overwhelm is the #1 reason beginners throw in the towel, so please do not fall into that trap. And while we're ironing out mistakes, let me just rapid fire 3 other traps you've got to avoid. #1, skipping the script. AI is only as smart as what you feed it, guys. Always rate a script before you prompt. #2, using those super repetitive, cheesy stock music tracks everyone is sick of hearing. Do yourself a favor and use Singify instead. And 3, falling victim to the dreaded subscription stack. Start with free tiers or one-time payments like VideoExpress, so you aren't bleeding cash every month for tools you barely touch. Okay, section 5, your first assignment. We've talked pipeline, we've talked tools, now it's time to actually do this. Here's your mission for day 8 of this masterclass journey. I want you to make a simple 30 to 60-second video about yourself or your business. Generate your presenter using either HeyGen or VideoExpress, slap on a custom instrumental track using Singify, and finally, bring in Grok to make at least one really clean, correctly spelled on-screen title card. This explainer right here, it's supposed to be a catalyst for you to take action, not just sit back and watch. When it's done, drop it in the community using the hashtag Fecund Circle Day 8. So I'm gonna leave you with one final big question. What on earth is your first 30-second video going to be about? Look, you simply don't have the excuse of expensive gear or insanely complex editing software holding you back anymore. You've got the pipeline, you've got the stack, and you have the strategy. So lock your topic in right now. Grab those first 2 tools and just start creating. So what's your big idea? Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I seriously cannot wait to see what you build.
Today, you learned the modern AI video production pipeline. Tomorrow, we'll learn how AI can create powerful audio content. Don't forget to subscribe.